Hey everyone, Technomentary with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Apple Cash to your debit card. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and first open up the Wallet app on our iPhone so we can go ahead and access our Apple Cash, which is going to be one of the cards listed here that has Apple Single and Cash, not to get confused with Apple account balance. So you're going to click on. Now once you click on Cash, it's going to give you basically your balance that you have here. And now in order to transfer it to a debit card, you're going to tap on these three dots up top here with a circle, and then it gives you the option, as you can see here, transfer to bank. So if you click on transfer to bank, you can go ahead and select the amount here. I'll just do $1 since I only have $1, but you're going to put the amount and then hit next. And once you do that, this will give you the option, as you can see, add a debit card, and it will allow you to basically add it to or send it to that transfer instead of to a bank to your debit card account. So let's go ahead and tap that. Now, keep in mind, if you are doing it to a debit card, it's going to charge you a 1.5% fee. So if you do that, just click on Add Card. And from there on, you can go ahead and add a card that's on your account. If you don't have one, you can add a debit card. I don't have one, but you're going to click on Debit or Credit and then hit Continue and then add the card info by maybe taking a picture. If you don't want to take a picture, or it doesn't recognize your number, you can also enter the detail with your name, your card number, hit next, and then you can go ahead and transfer it to your debit card. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. We'll see you guys next time.